how to split a how to split a fare with friends on Lyft application. First, you want to simply open the Lyft application over here, and you'd be able to see a homepage that will look something like this. Here, you want to simply request a ride over first. Tap on where are you going, and you'd be able to select your destination, and you'd be able to select your ride option over here as well, and tap on request Lyft to make an request. By doing so, you'll be able to make a request, and what you're going to do is, after a driver accepts your request, you want to simply open the trip screen, and inside the trip screen, you'll be able to see an option called split fare. You want to tap on the split fare option, and by doing so, you'll be able to select the friends from your contacts or enter their phone number over there manually as well and send the split fare request. And by doing so, your friends must accept the request before the ride ends, and the fare will be divided automatically. However, split fare may not be available on your region as well. Split fare is only available on certain regions and on certain rides as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.